Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to integrate Claude with Excel Automation Guide for 2026. Now let's start with the first step, which is to install the Claude for Excel add-in. So in the Excel, click Insert, tap on Get Add-ins, and then search for Claude for Excel. Now then you just have to click on the blue Add button at the bottom right to install it to your ribbon. Next step is paste your API key and connect. So just open your Cloud task pane on the right and then paste your SK key and just wait for the green connected status to appear. So you have to store the key in the Excel Secure Credentials Vault so coworkers opening the file don't see it. That's just a pro tip. Next step is use the Cloud formula on a range. So in an empty cell, type Claude, summarize this data, and type in A1D20, and then press enter. So Claude returns a clean text summary directly in the cell. Next up is ask Claude to build a pivot table. So in the side panel, just type build a original sales pivot from this sheet. So Claude inserts a working pivot table with totals already grouped. Lastly is generate a full KPI dashboard. So ask build me a dashboard with KPI cards and charts. So Claude creates the cards, bar chart, and line chart. And it also shows the token usage in the panel. So just a pro tip, lock the dashboard sheet. So to do that, just click on the review and then tap on protect sheet. So future Claude runs don't accidentally overwrite your charts. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!